Hello students, welcome back to the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Standard 7th, Subject English. Today we will see Unit 2, How Things Work. In the previous video we have discussed about the mirror, how mirror works and what is the use of the side mirror in the car. Today we will see Activity 3. This article begins by asking questions about how things work. It asks about mirrors, magnifying glasses, cameras and microscopes because all of these things depend on light. In this article we will see that a mirror, magnifying glasses, camera, microscope, these all require light to work. That depends on light. Let's write a new article about electricity. Here we have to write a new article, new things about electricity. And we have to list 4 things that depend on electricity. Here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are given. There we have to write the different gadgets which depend on electricity to work, which work on electricity only. That names we have to write here. So many gadgets, dear students, you know, which work on electricity. Like we can mention here one number, microwave oven. Second, we can go for the refrigerator is there. Third, television. And fourth, washing machine. So these 4 gadgets which depend on electricity to work. So that 4 gadgets name you can write there. First microwave oven, second refrigerator, third television and fourth washing machine. Now next, write 4 questions like the ones in the article about the 4 things you listed. Here already we have listed 4 things: microwave oven, refrigerator, television and washing machine. So we have to make a question on these 4 things which we have listed. Okay, so the first question about a microwave oven. What is the difference between a microwave oven and an ordinary oven? There are 2 types of oven, microwave oven and an ordinary oven. What is the difference between them? Then both they are having the same thing only. But microwave oven work on the radiation to heat the food. It work on radiation. And the common oven, the ordinary oven, it just having the heating element which just heat the food. So that is the difference between microwave oven and ordinary oven. Second, we took refrigerator. So the question comes that second number we can write, how does the cooling system work in a refrigerator? There is an evaporator located inside the refrigerator and which make the items, the foods cool, become cold. And when it is cold enough, inside the compressor is there that is turns off. There is a compressor works in the refrigerator. And when the food inside it is cold enough, the compressor automatically turns off. The third gadget we have written, that is a television. There are different types of television nowadays. So the question comes that we can write at the third number. What is the difference between LCD, LED and plasma TV? So all 3 types of TVs are there. That different light source behind the screen which works. Picture quality of this all 3 television is the same only. But LCD TV is there which have a limited viewing angle. LED TV highly power consuming TV. And plasma which does not require the backlight. That is the difference between the 3 LCD, LED and a plasma TV. And fourth gadget name we have written, that is a washing machine. So the fourth question we can write here, how does a washing machine operate? Washing machine you have seen. There is a big tub and there is a wash cycle is there. The large tub moving the clothes inside, which is powered by electricity and which is spin the clothes with the high speed and throwing the water through the holes. Inside the holes are there and that water it throws out. So this way the washing machine works. So here we have listed the 4 gadgets which work on electricity, and based on the 4 gadgets we have written the 4 questions and how it works that we have discussed. So today I will send you the PDF of this activity which you have to refer, you have to read, and you have to note down in your fair notebook. So today here we will end this video. Okay, thank you very much students. Bye bye, take care.